I'm I'm in fear for my life.
Judge is talking right now. That means you don't interrupt the judge. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't even know what this is about.
Boy, oh boy, do we have a bit of a Karen here. This chick is absolutely painful. I did some digging as well, and I found some very, very interesting things, including a very interesting video from one of her family members. This lady's got a lot of history. A lot of history. Turns out she's got a history of dumping tires all over the state of Michigan. Allegedly now, of course. Keep your eyes out for the crocodile tears that immediately disappear at one point, and you'll see exactly the kind of woman I'm talking about here.
We're going to jury trial and a false information to a police. Mr. Baldwin, I need you to zoom in, please. What's going on? I need you to zoom in. Can you state your name?
Attorney Mike Baldwin, P65417, on behalf of Ms. Cosby.
Were you working on another case or what?
Yeah, I have two things going here, but I'm also with Mr. Shrum here as well. So I actually have 3 or 4 things going.
All right, listen. Are we serious? We're going to a jury trial and a false information to a police officer.
My client takes a position that that she reasonably believed that there was a firearm in that vehicle, and I can't refute that. And I offered her a bench trial, Judge.
Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough.
But I do have my calendar.
I thought it was just a regular. I didn't know. I shouldn't have assumed that. Usually they gave the wrong name. That's fine.
Yes.
Ms. Foley Carter, I need in here. Ms. Foley Carter, can you come in, please? We're going to set a jury. I get it. Your name?
Caitlin Fuller.
Jury trial will be scheduled right now.
I have my calendar, Judge.
May 9th at 8:30.
Right. Well, this is we're just starting this case, really, right? Well, no, February 27th. Ms. Cosby, you got to be here in person. You understand that?
Yes, I understand that, Your Honor, but am I allowed to put anything on the record right now?
About what?
About
What do you want to put on the record?
My life. I'm in fear for my life from Justin.
Your Honor, I've advised her to seek out a PPO, but it was rejected.
Hang on. Hang on.
Your Honor, may I say something, please?
No, no, I don't even know who you are. Hang on. I said, wait. The judge is talking right now. That means you don't interrupt the judge. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't even know what this is about.
I don't need.
Hang on. Don't say a word. What's your name, sir?
I'm Justin Cole, the victim, Your Honor.
I know, but what's your name? Justin Cole?
Justin, yep.
What in the world is going on here? I thought this was false information to a police officer. Miss, can you enlighten me? I don't know.
It is, Your Honor. Ms. Cosby and Mr. Cole were both at the police department. Ms. Cosby called the police and told them that Mr. Cole pulled a weapon on her outside in the police department parking lot. They reviewed footage. There was no firearm. They searched Mr. Cole's vehicle. There was no firearm.
Okay. All right. Well, you don't need to put anything on the record. If you want to get a PPO, you get a PPO.
Well,
I'm not going to hang on. Well, I wasn't done talking yet. I'm not going to engage in this colloquy here. I've got one charge in front of me, false information to an officer. If you think you're in fear and he's stalking you or doing anything else or aggravating you to the extent that you'd be entitled to a PPO, go get a PPO. Mr. Baldwin already sitting. Hang on, I wasn't done talking yet. When I stop talking, I'll tell you. How's that?
Sorry, Your Honor.
Now, I'm setting it for a jury and I'm setting it for a final pretrial, and that's it. And you have to be here for the trial. Where's Johannesburg again?
I know that one. South Africa.
By Gaylord. And what's the date, Your Honor? Because I have other court dates with my father through probate.
We're going to give you a date right now. We're going to give you a date right now. All right. Wait a minute, guys. I'm not gonna, you guys are not gonna get along with me if you're gonna interrupt one another and engage in this, I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now. We're setting a jury. She wants a jury. She's entitled to a jury. And that's what I'm gonna give her. I just thought it was a simple misuse of a name or something, or giving the false information as to a name. This is a little different. But I don't wanna hear any of this.
May I ask you
Okay.
something, Your Honor?
Sure. I've got a no contact provision, I think,
Yes,
don't I? Maybe I don't.
I
That's what-
hope you put one in place, Your Honor.
That's what I was hoping, Your Honor, that you would give me a no contact with her because she keeps calling and calling. I mean, I don't want no more calls, false calls, please.
Yeah, I didn't realize what this was about. It was rain, there's no, Ms. Foley Carter, you know what I've been trying to do for like 30 years, 28 years? What do you think I've been trying to do on these?
What's that, Your Honor?
Been asking them to put information on a ticket. I've quit. Hang on. I've quit asking. It falls on deaf ears. I've asked police departments through chiefs no less than 25 times to put simple, basic information on a citation so I can have some idea as to what I'm talking about when I'm doing a bond. False informational police officer. That's what he wrote. Just a simple, maybe you can help me with this too, Mr. Foley. Just a simple, just a simple, whatever it is, gave false name of Jane Doe, went into Myers, stole $1,000 worth of property, punched and slapped the victim. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, but I got to chase these guys around. I'm looking at a citation. I'm not reading police reports when I'm doing these. And
If I may, there is a misdemeanor complaint in the file.
I see it now, but I'm getting like 50 cases a day. I mean, I see that.
Your Honor, we can take it up with the department once again.
I know, but listen,
All I can do
it's
is
not
check.
just Brownstown.
All I can do is check.
What happens is guys retire and they don't tell anybody, and the new guys don't tell anybody, and the new guys, and I got to keep doing it. It's just getting aggravating, but nonetheless, I'm going to order, give me a bond sheet, please. Ma'am, you're going to have to go get printed if this is the kind of case it is. I'm sorry. So I'm going to have you come here next time. You're going to have to come here next time to get printed by Brownstown. And I'm going to order no contact with the victim, Justin Cole. No contact with Justin. No contact with Justin Cole. No contact with prosecution witnesses. And you cannot. You have to go over to the Brownstown Police Department to get fingerprinted and photographed on your next court date. When are we going to have the next court date? Can we have it on the
April
23rd?
23rd at 11.
So I'm going to say you have to be there by 2:00 on April 23rd, okay? And then we're going to set a jury trial date. I'm not adjourning any of these dates again. Mr. Baldwin, what do you have? And Ms. Foley Carter, are you guys good on just give me a date in May, a Friday in May when you can do this.
I'm available on
Except
the
the
9th.
2nd. You available on the 9th? May 9th at 8:30 will be your jury trial date. All of this will be in person.
Your Honor, I have a probate court date on my father that day.
She does not, Your Honor. I have power of attorney. My father, she does not. That's a lie. Sorry.
If I find somebody starts lying to me,
Your Honor,
That's
I'm
good.
not lying to you.
There's no probate.
send me the
Sorry.
notice.
It's not on the 9th, it's on the 10th.
Stop.
It's on April 10th.
Wow.
Stop. Do you have a court date, May 9th?
It's May 9th, yes.
Where?
April,
What court?
April 10th, emergency hearing at probate court, and then,
That is false.
Don't say anything, Mr. Cole.
Sorry, Your
I'm
Honor.
sorry, Your Honor, it's May 6th. I'm sorry, it is. I
Good.
just
Then
got
you
the
don't have
court date.
anything May 9th.
No, May 9th is good.
No adjournments of any of these. So if you get another court date, you tell them the mean judge in Woodhaven won't adjourn it. April
What time,
9th at
Judge?
11. I'm sorry, May 9th at 8:30. Final pretrial will be April the 23rd. And I'll make that later out for you so you don't have to show up so late. Did you tell me 11, Lisa?
Yes, 11 o'clock.
And you have to be over, so no contact with the victim. You have to go over to get photographed and printed by Brownstown by 2 p.m. on April 23. No contact with prosecution witnesses. And I am ready to go. That's it. Have a
Thank you.
nice day. Good luck. I hope you guys will continue to talk. If not, we'll see everybody on April 23rd and May the 9th. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Do I have anything else that's
Interesting how the tears just magically stopped, isn't it? So I did a little bit of digging, and I'm going to show you what I found. So I won't say the name of the website because obviously I don't want to be causing any trouble here. But basically, there is a video of this lady being confronted by, it seems, her brother for more of the same false police reports. There's a whole load of other stuff on there as well. So let's have a little look, shall we?
Now, you just lied to a police officer that I threatened you, right? Everybody here knows you just lied. So, yeah, that's a false police report you're making.
Thank you.
Now, that's a false police report you just made right there. Good. I know one's threatening you. Who threatened you? What did I threaten you with?
Listen, Justin.
You're a psycho is what you are.
I'm here to see you.
Good. You come here to raise hell with him, and you ain't gonna fucking do it. I'm stopping it. You guys ain't gonna keep pushing it. You guys ain't gonna keep fucking with him. Yeah, really? Really? You got 150 grand, yo? You got his money? Do you have his money?
Listen, bitch.
I got you on 50,000 in steel
You're
scrap
the one
with your
that's-
IDs in Metro Shores account.
Listen.
Do you have that?
When they run
Do you have that?
and see everything.
Do you have that?
Shut up.
You don't, right? So
We'll
basically,
see-
fuck him.
we'll see about
Yeah, and you'll
this
see some
one.
forged signatures that
We'll
you guys
see
have been
about
signing on me and
this
Dad's
one.
behalf. You're
We'll
going to get
see
some deep
about
shit.
it. You and Dad.
You guys are the biggest bums.
You
We'll
and
steal
Dad.
some houses. You fucking calling me acting like I'm somebody. Over here, fucking ripping people's fucking houses off. 3, 4, 5. You sure you don't want 1,000?
No, I don't want $1,000. You don't want. Take my baby something for Christmas.
Why don't you want 1,000?
I don't want this shit around me for it.
There's no need to cry. You hear me?
Yeah.
Everything's gonna be fine. Me and you know the truth. We know who took your money.
Yeah.
We know who stole from you. Lisa and Steve got how much from you?
No,
Huh?
it's the same.
We know the truth, and that's all there's to it, right?
Yeah.
Scrapped all your stuff, stole all your stuff.
Yeah.
What Steve tell you when you wanted the money back over there?
Huh?
What Steve say when you wanted the money when you asked him about the money here the other day?
Tell me fuck you.
Fuck you. And when Lisa sat right there and let it go down, right?
Yeah.
Didn't say nothing to him?
Nope. She's in on it.
Huh?
She's in on it.
Yeah. So is Mom.
Yeah.
It's a three-way street. They all get paid off your money, and you sit here broke.
That's done.
Now today's the 23rd. There's the 22nd now.
Huh?
Today's the 22nd. You get $500 there,
Right.
right? 2020, 22nd, 2020. You got $500 right there.
Right. Write it down.
Now, you make sure
Right.
you don't let her have it, right?
Right.
Got you sitting here fucking broke. Got you sitting here broke and got $1 in your pocket. Can't even order food, can't do nothing here. And it's all your money.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I'm not gonna let it happen. It's not gonna go down like that.
Yeah. Take my baby and get him something.
Don't be. Why are you upset?
I don't know.
Because that's the first little bit of money you've had in forever. Is that why you're upset?
Yeah.
Poor fella. That's heartbreaking to watch. Obviously, I'm going to blur this out.
Take the girl and get her something for Christmas instead of
No, that's your money. I'm not gonna spend the money on that. I don't.
still get her something for me.
Yeah, they've already got plenty from you. They don't need no more from you.
Like, what's really sad about this is like this man has been robbed blind by his daughter, allegedly. And evidently based on previous charges and all that kind of stuff. The caption in this one is that she went off on vacation and basically rubbed it in his face after stealing all of his stuff and all of his money, her own father. This is like a parody Facebook, basically. And then simultaneously on her own Facebook, she has pictures up about her father and how lovely and blah, 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 blah. So evidently this lady's an absolute piece of human shit.
And they're not gonna get it. I'm not gonna let no one have it but you.
Right.
You know what me and you've done. Worked our ass off and hand over to them. They just take from us.
That's so sad.
Those people, you're all fucked up.
And like after all of his money being taken, all he cares about is using the money that he was just given to get something nice for his grandkids. So I think it's safe to say that she's an absolute arsehole. Anyway, lads and lassies, I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful weekend. It's beautiful weather out there again today. I'm going to do a couple of videos here and then I'm going to hit the road on the old Harley and have a nice weekend. We'll catch you in the next one. Sláinte.